hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulami and you are more than welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular very easy neutral glam eye makeup look, which consists of only two neutral matte shades and one shimmery shade. So this is a very easy to achieve and wearable yet super glam eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieve this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup look, you can obviously check this particular base makeup look from my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Poulami_Mimi. From there you can check out this particular base makeup look. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally prepped and primed my eyelid, and as you can see that I have prepped and primed this eyelid, and this one is looking so different. So this is the difference when you prep and prime your eyelid. So to prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my all-time favorite concealer, which is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, and to dust it up slightly with some loose powder, I have used my K-Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder, which is basically this one. It is in the shade white. So this is how the packaging looks like. So I have used this particular combo out there to prep and prime my eyelid, and you can clearly see the difference. They are looking so different, like totally different. Now I'll quickly start on with my eyeshadow palette. The very first palette and the only palette I think that I'm going to use today is going to be my Morphe Exchange Charles palette, which is basically this one, and from this very particular palette over here. So the very first color that I'm going to take is going to be this very beautiful brown shade over here, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to start with this particular color over here. So taking that color onto a small blending brush, I'm going to put it onto my crease. I'm just not going to go higher above my crease, but I'm just going to put it onto my crease. As you can see, I'm putting it onto the area where exactly my crease is. So yeah, this is what I am doing. And yeah, I'm just going to blend it up in a very slight light-handed motion, in a circular motion. As you can see, that is what I am doing. I'm doing nothing more than that. So yeah, this is what I am doing. So currently I put up a poll on my Instagram that what you guys want to see, and by that, if you haven't already followed me on my Insta handle, please do follow me on my Insta handle, because I do a lot of fun colorful looks over there also. So yeah, I recently did a poll on my Insta handle that what you guys want to see, and strangely, like 100% of you guys, like all of you who have polled or answered for that poll, have said that we want to see a natural glam or wearable glam. So yeah, this is why I am doing this particular look. I always try doing the looks that you guys prefer, because that is what I want you to serve with. I want you to get what you want. So as you can see that I am like almost done putting that shade onto that crease of my eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm just slightly going to drag it towards my eyelash, like my lash line. So I'm just taking the slightest mousse color, and I'm just winging it outwards. So yeah, that is what I am doing. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with putting on that brown shade onto my crease, and I have also winged it out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take another color, which I'm going to put it on my transition. So that color is going to be lighter than this dark brown shade. So that for that I'm going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically this one. So yeah, I am currently loving this shade for some reason. So the other day I did a tutorial where I used this particular look, and I so loved it that I thought of using and incorporating it in today's look. So this color is slightly a bit pinkish or a rosy in tone. So this is what I am going to use right now. I have slightly taken it onto my fluffy blending brush, and dusting off the excess, I am just going to put it onto my transition. So as you can see, I just have the color onto my brush, and I am blending it onto that brown shade, so that everything looks nice and diffused, and everything looks blended with that particular pinkish rosy tone shade. So yeah, that is what I am doing. Always blend your transition with a very light-handed motion. Never go overboard with your transition shade because it can totally break your look. So yeah, it is very crucial. These looks are totally like a beginner's friendly look. If you have just started on with makeup, just do this looks and just go on to any party and you can just rock it and glam. So yeah, they are glam, they are wearable, they are neutral, they go with any shade, any party, any color of attire that you are wearing, and they are super fun and super easy to achieve. So what else do you want? So now as you can see that I'm done with my transition shade and I am done blending out everything. So when everything is looking nice and all done, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. So just don't worry if you are not comfortable with a cut crease, just skip this particular step so you can directly go on to the next step which I'm going to do after this particular step. But if you are comfortable with a cut crease, then I'm going to use a concealer to cut my crease. So now at this point, as you can see that I'm totally done with my cut crease, what I'm going to do is I am just going to take another color. So the color that I'm going to take right now is going to be a shimmery pigment. So yeah, I'm just going to take the shimmer shade from this very particular palette, and as you can see that I've totally done a half cut crease. I have not done a full cut crease, so that is what I wanted to just mention. So now, right now the shade I'm going to take right now is going to be this very particular shade over here, which is basically this one. I don't know whether you are able to notice or not, but this is a shimmery shade. So I'm just going to take this beautiful particular shade over here and I'm just going to put it onto my entire cut crease, and I'm just going to fill it up with this very beautiful shade over here. I'm just taking that shade onto a flat synthetic brush and I am just patting it onto my eyelid area. I'm not doing anything more than that. I'm just taking that shade and I'm just patting it. So now at this point, as you can see that I'm totally done putting on that shimmery shade onto my cut crease. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to blend my outer corner with my cut crease so that it looks nice and diffuse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that same brush and whatever it's left in that particular brush, I'm just dabbing onto the edges of my cut crease so that it blends with my outer corner. So now as you can see, it is looking way more finer and blended. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some liner. So I'm using my NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one, my all-time favorite liner, and I'm just going to take this particular liner over here and I'm just going to put on a nice winged liner. As you can see that I'm totally done putting on my liner, and as you can see that I have drawn a quite a bold liner which is like almost touching my hairline. So yeah, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some nude kajal. So for that I'm using my PAC Long Lasting Kohl pencil, which is in the shade Skin. So now taking this pencil over here, I'm just going to run it through my lower lash line. So now as you can see that I'm done with putting on that Kohl pencil onto my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take the same color which I used onto my crease and taking that color onto a smaller blending brush. I am just using that brush to put it onto my lower lash line so that I can give my lower lash line a nice depth and dimension. And now as you can see that I'm totally done putting on that shade onto my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some mascara and some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye, and for my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M71 lashes, which were basically this one. So yeah, this is my complete look. I have put on some contour and some bronzer and some highlighter on my face, and what all products I have used for my face. I've already linked in my description box. So please, if you want to know what I have used, then please go ahead and check on my description box. And for my entire base routine, you can also check out my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @poulami_mimi, and from there you can check out my entire base makeup routine. So now this is it for my today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.